Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise your first chapter, matter. Okay, substance or matter. Matter. Okay. I know already you have studied about this chapter in previous classes. Huh? We have discussed about this chapter in previous classes. What is the matter? Okay, types of matter, state of matter, change of state of matter. Clear? Okay. So kinetic theory of matter. Clear? So here we will discuss about the matter. Okay. Yes, we will revise the first chapter, matter. Clear? So matter. We will discuss about this particular topic matter in your subject physics. Okay, we know that physics is the subject that studies the law of nature. Law of nature means under the subject physics mostly we studies the laws of nature. Okay, how nature works on different laws. Clear? Okay, but before discussing about the laws of nature, okay, we will discuss about the matter. Matters are what? We are seeing many objects now. We are seeing many objects in our surroundings. We see many objects in our surroundings. Okay, in our atmosphere. Now, they are different from each other. But they are commonly in one things. Which one? They are all matter. We see many objects surrounding us. ना आपने चारों तरफ बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं ना, like this duster, books, copies, pen, pencil, vehicles, okay, buildings, okay, clear? So table, bench in classroom, okay, chairs, fridge, cooler, refrigerator, TV, clear? So these are all the objects. They are different from each other, but commonly one thing is common in all. What? These are substance or a type of matter. ये सभी ऑब्जेक्ट्स में कॉमन क्या है? These are the substance. चाहे वो डस्टर हुआ, either chalk, either book, copy, cloths, okay, perfumes, okay, chair, table, fridge, cooler, TV, anything. These are all objects. Okay, they are different from each other. In which sense? In which way they are different? That is, they are different type of objects. Okay, but one thing is common. What? They are all substance or matter. Clear? Okay. So finally we can say that whatever we are seeing in our surroundings, in our atmosphere, जो भी कुछ हम अपनी चारों तरफ देखते हैं, clear? Those are all called matter. Clear? So finally we conclude that a matter is what? Anything which occupies space and has some mass. Anything which occupies space, and has some mass. Okay, it's called matter. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है हमारे चारों तरफ जिसके पास कुछ मास हो, it has some mass and it occupies a space. Like this duster ना, ये duster क्या है? ये इतना स्पेस कवर कर रहा है ना, इतना स्पेस कवर कर रहा है, and also it has some mass. Easily we can just calculate its mass by using the different weighing machine, electronic balance, grocery balance. Okay, we can find there its balance. We can find it its balance, sorry, we can find its mass. इसका हम मास फाइंड कर सकते हैं ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस से, वेइंग मशीन से, या ग्रोसरी बैलेंस मशीन से. क्लियर? सो एनीथिंग इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स विच हैज सम मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई सम स्पेस. हमें हमारे चारों तरफ, हमारे वातावरण में चारों तरफ कोई भी चीज, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट which have some mass and occupy some space, it is called matter. It is called matter. So everything we can see that everything our surroundings what occupying some space and has some mass. Like chair, कहीं भी आप चेयर रखेंगे क्या करेगा? वो कुछ न कुछ स्पेस कवर करेगा, उसका कुछ न कुछ मास होगा. बेंच का कुछ न कुछ मास होगा. टीवी, फ्रिज, कूलर, ओके, क्लॉथ्स, chalk, duster, vehicles, all the things has some mass and occupy some space. कहीं भी सो रखेंगे, okay, keep करेंगे, it always occupy some space and has some mass. Easily we can find out their masses. Clear? मतलब हमारे चारों तरफ कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, उन सबका हम ऑब्जेक्ट का मास फाइंड कर सकते हैं और वो कुछ स्पेस कवर करते हैं. That's why they are called matter. But some special things are not like vacuum. Vacuum, it is only a medium. It is not a matter. We can't identify that how much space occupied by the vacuum because no particles is present in the vacuum. And in other objects, every other objects like solid, liquid, gas, or any other objects like duster, chalk, books, copies, they are made up with some particles, molecules, atoms, na? So they will occupy some space and having some mass. But vacuum, there is no any particles, no any molecules, so it will not occupy any space. It does not have any mass, so that's why vacuum is not a matter. Same as our emotions, okay, our heart, okay, our thinking, our thoughts, these are not matters. Here, these are the not matters. Clear? Okay. So same as victory, defeat, loss, gain, profit. Okay, these are not matter. Okay, but like metals, gold, silver, diamond, okay, germanium, bronze, these are the matters. Clear? So each and everything in our surroundings which are occupied some space and having some mass, that is called matter or substance. Clear? Now we can understand this point with some experiment. Suppose we want to show that solid and liquid have some mass. Okay, so for that just we take two container. क्या करेंगे हम? दो कंटेनर लेंगे and hang it two container with a suspension or spring balance. Spring balance, two container. Okay, okay, spring balance. Now just first we will find out the mass of the vacant container. पहले इसका मास फाइंड करेंगे m1 and m2. Okay, using the spring balance. Okay, in third chapter na we have discussed about the spring balance na. It is used to find out the weight, okay, of an object na. Clear? So first we will find the mass of the these two empirical. Clear? Suppose it is coming m1 and m2. ये क्या आ रहा है? m1 and m2 आ रहा है. Now we will fill both container, okay, one by one with water and one with sugar. एक को वाटर से फिल कर देंगे, एक को sugar से. Clear? Now again we will find their mass or weight. So we will see that the mass of this both container will be changed or increased. क्या होगा? दोनों का mass वो बढ़ जाएगा. So if mass will increase, then what? Their weight also will increase. Clear? So suppose mass becomes m1 dash and this mass becomes m2 dash. So m1 dash is more than m1. Okay, and same as m2 dash more than m1. Why? Because here already we filled both container with some matter or quantity. यहाँ हमने क्या फिल किया है? वाटर. Here I filled sugar. It means both. Sugar is solid now and this water is liquid. So both are what? Both are occupying some space and having some mass. दोनों ही इसमें रखने में क्या कर रहे हैं? स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं. According to container, okay, and they are just having some mass because the mass of the container after filling with two substance matter will be changed. Clear? Okay. So that's why solid and liquids are also a type of matter. Now we discuss about the gas. Just take two balloons, either football. Just take two balloons or football. Just you will take football. Empty. Then find out the weight of this empty football. पहले इसका weight find करेंगे या mass find करेंगे. Suppose it is coming M1. Okay. Now inflate this football with air. इसको air से fill कर देंगे. इसी football को फिर से inflate this football with air. Here इसको air से fill कर देंगे. Now again find out the mass of this football. Suppose it carrying M1 dash. Sure it will come more than this mass. ये से ज़्यादा है. एक फुटबॉल को लेंगे. Clear? We'll take a empty football, fill it with air, inflate it with air. इसमें हवा भर देंगे, air भर देंगे. Okay. Now we'll find the mass. First we'll find the mass of empty football. Okay. जो खाली है इसमें कोई एयर नहीं है, पहले उसका मास फाइंड करेंगे. Then we'll find the mass of the football with air. So we'll here see that the both masses of the football will be different. It is less than the second one. This mean mass, na? Because it is already just filled with air, na? So hence it took that air. Air means gas. Gas occupy some space and have some mass. Clear? So any type of matter, that is object which has some mass and occupy some space, is called matter. Clear? Okay. Some more examples given in your book. Balloon examples given. Water container also given. You can easily understand this one. For the gas, occupy space and has some mass. Take two balloons, two empty balloons. Okay. Now fill both balloons with the air and hang with the support of the ruler and the suspension. Okay. Balloon. Suspension. Here. Now both are the empty balloons. So first we will fill both the balloons with air. Now hang this both balloon with the help of ruler and a suspension at the both end of the ruler. दोनों किनारे क्या करेंगे हम? दोनों बलून को एयर से फिल करके हैंग कर देंगे. ठीक. Now use a needle or a pen and just make a hole on the one balloon. Either burst one balloon, either you can burst one balloon with the help of a pin or needle. Then what will happen? The gas or air present inside this balloon is suddenly came out. Okay, comes out. Okay, are coming out. क्या होगा? जैसे इसको आप नीडल या पिन से क्या करेंगे? पिन करेंगे, पुल करेंगे. The air is starting just to come out. Okay, or the gas present in this balloon just will start to come out. Clear? Okay, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. Clear? Now we observe that this other balloon will goes down. It goes down. Hence, it's proved that the air occupies space and having some mass. Clear? Okay. So finally, we can conclude that anything which is a matter, sure it has some mass and also it occupies some space. Okay. In next class, we will discuss about some different type of matters. Okay, state of matters, different processes related to the change of states. Okay, clear? So revise this one. Go through the books. Okay, chapter first matter. If any doubt, you can comment in the message box. Either you can ask next class. Students, thank you.